Good afternoon, I'm Shane Masters, and here are some of the top stories for today. On the local scene, JPS customers to see an average increase of approximately 1.6% in their next electricity bill. A 19-year-old man accused of raping a 14-year-old girl at knife point on July 15 has been charged by the Westmoreland Police. The Kingston Central Police are keeping a close watch on the Southside community following a series of arson attacks yesterday by gunmen that left over 40 people homeless. The Caribbean Examinations Council (CXC) is reporting a 6% increase in the number of students scoring above average in mathematics when compared to last year. And no firearms allowed. Licensed firearm holders who plan to attend the concert headlined by American singer Chris Brown at the National Stadium in St. Andrew on Sunday are being advised that provisions have been made at the offices of the Firearm Licensing Authority on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew for the safekeeping of their firearms while the concert is in session. News now from the region. Tropical Storm Franklin wreaked havoc in the Dominican Republic, causing heavy floods and landslides in the country's southern areas. Now at least 1 dead and 2 injured. Further afield, the Kremlin rejects speculation that it was involved in the downing of a private jet presumed to be carrying Russia's most notorious mercenary, Yevgeny Prigozhin. Now over in sports, Jamaica goes for more medals on day 7 of the World Championships in Budapest, Hungary. And on the 17, Reggae girls begin their quest for CONCACAF final round. And those were the stories making news and sports at this time. I'm Shane Masters wishing you pleasant viewing.